If you're eager to produce green energy, lower your energy costs, or even get off the grid entirely, a wind turbine may be the perfect solution. However, wind turbines are not for everyone. The decision to buy one will depend on a lot of important factors: the rules surrounding wind turbines in your town or neighborhood, your energy needs, and your budget. Here at Women's Corner Zone, we are a bunch of products researcher. We test, analyze and research new products and create a list of top 5 best products based on their price, quality, features, sales volume, and most important part is user feedback. Our goal is to create a proper shopping guide so that our viewers can make the right decision. And now let's dive into the video. Starting of our list at number 5 is the Missouri 2000 watt General Freedom wind turbine. The Missouri Freedom 2 wind turbine provides loads of power, lasts for decades, and requires less maintenance than most turbines. It's a solid 5 out of 5 stars in our research. It's extremely well built and has the warranty to back it up. It's designed to last at least 50 years under normal conditions. That means this sucker will keep producing power, with some replacements of parts, of course, for 50 years if it's not overly beaten up by extreme weather. The metal components of the system are fully hot dipped, galvanized, and zinc plated to resist rust like nothing else. You won't need to paint or coat this thing for that full 50 years. The permanent magnet generator uses a 28 rare earth magnet rotor and skewed stator core to make this wind turbine turn easily, producing up to 2000 watts output. The Missouri Freedom 2 wind turbine has no cogging, and a cut-in wind speed of 6 miles per hour. At number 4 is the Tumo-Int 1000 watts 3 blades wind turbine generator kit. This home wind turbine is ideal for residential use and works well in areas with low wind speeds. The product is one of the best home wind generators available in the market. Using patented turbine blades that come in a twisted aerodynamic design, ensures optimum wind power generation. Since this is so small, lightweight, and surprisingly quiet, the Tumo-Int 1000 watts 3-blade kit is ideal for residential areas. This is especially true because of that low wind speed needed to power it. The package comes with the generators, blades, controllers, screws, bolts, and the nose cone required to set up the kit. This is not a wind turbine for areas with intense wind speeds, and definitely not recommended for any place that regularly or even occasionally experiences hurricanes or tornadoes. Top 3 at our list is the Pacific Sky Power Travel Portable Wind Turbine Generator. For those who are on the go, there's a portable wind turbine. It's budget-friendly and extremely easy to transport. There's admittedly not as much information on portable wind turbines like the Pacific Sky Travel Wind Turbine as other turbines, but for those of us who've used them, we've found them to be effective for powering small electronics and appliances, think lights, laptops, etc., while on the road. But one thing I love about these portable wind turbines is that they're really great for families with kids 10 and under. They not only provide you with up to 15 watts of power, but they help expose the kids to the use of green energy that they can interact with. These wind turbines are only 3 pounds, and very small, so the kids can help set up camp every time by setting up the turbine. Moving up at number 2 is the WINDMILL 1500 watts wind turbine generator kit. With a host of features and a sturdy, durable casing, the turbine offers homeowners an opportunity to cut down on their electric bill and non-renewable energy consumption. Overall, the WINDMILL 1500 watts is more expensive than other models on the market, but it makes up for it in value. The built-in charge controller, high energy output, and relatively lightweight design are all money-saving opportunities for homeowners who are new to the wind turbine scene. The 24-volt system has a suggested battery capacity of 200 Ah or higher and is capable of powering small, off-the-grid home systems. While the 1500 watts energy output isn't designed to meet an entire household's consumption needs, it can easily be paired with a solar array. This offers great flexibility for homeowners looking to go completely green and reduces their reliance on city grids. And at number 1 is the Eco-Worthy Wind Solar Power Kit. The Eco-Worthy Home Wind Turbine is present in the first position in this video, which is a combination of a wind turbine and multiple solar panels. All of these combine together to offer a very high power wattage rating of 1400 watts, which is much more than what you will need. The kit includes 2 solar panels, the wind turbine, a 9.44-inch cable, and an MC4 connector. You will need to provide your own 14 AUG electric cables to connect the panels and the wind turbine. The controller that's included is a 12 volts to 24 volts auto-detect controller used for connecting the battery to the solar panel/wind turbine setup. To make sure that you can use the wind turbine as well as the solar panels within the same electrical circuit, all of them are rated at 24 volts. The home wind turbine itself has a total of 3 blades, which is known to offer the best efficiency. Since EcoWorthy is a reputable brand of eco-friendly products, it comes with a 1-year-long warranty. So that sums up today's video. We hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please leave a like on the video. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. Until next video, have a great day.